Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your plan allows personal hotspot and your iPhone has cellular data enabled. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Personal Hotspot. You'll see a single switch. Flip it on to enable tethering. If prompted, note or edit the Wi-Fi password. You'll share this with other devices. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled for easiest connection, or prepare to connect via USB if you prefer a wired link. Once the hotspot switch is on, configure how devices will connect. You should set a strong Wi-Fi password of at least 8 characters to prevent unauthorized access. Next, choose your preferred connection method: Wi-Fi for multiple devices, Bluetooth for low power, or USB for stable charge and speed. Make sure the iPhone name is recognizable to clients. If not, change it under Settings General About. While you do this, keep cellular signal in view so you can monitor bandwidth and performance. To finish, connect your other device. Open Wi-Fi, find your iPhone's SSID, and enter the password you set. If Wi-Fi connection fails, plug the iPhone into a computer with Lightning cable, select USB tethering, and tap Trust when prompted. Make sure to watch data usage to avoid overages. If nothing connects, toggle personal hotspot off and on, restart the iPhone, and verify your carrier still supports hotspot. This single troubleshooting step resolves most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.